Alright, looks like we got a big safe here. Yeah, hello.
I know you. How you doing?
We thought we'd be your first customers of the day. Wow, this is some kind of soda machine or something. It's just cold drinks. That's awesome. There's a safe over there. A little dumpster. So we're gonna make it quick around here because the problem is without prices, we'll put it on the spot. See, but he's got cool stuff. Look at this. This is jumper cables with that kind of attachment. So you can put on some kind of extender cable. Here's it's one of those old labelers. His sale's getting smaller. There's all these pneumatic stuff. This is awesome stuff. If I was doing my roof, I would need tools like that. And doing my roof, so I really should be thinking like that. Yeah, he's got some kind of high power. Oh, this is what's we call it? Not a chainsaw, but one of those bandsaws. All right.
Yeah, you want another guitar?
He's got that stuff going on over there.
This is a little one.
How much is your little one?
$150 for the whole thing.
Nice.
That's how I'm saying.
Maybe I probably need some speakers so I could make packages with my guitars. Alright, so he's got a toolbox here. This is awesome. I saw his toolbox here last time. I wanted to make an offer on it, but he says he was going to a pack of beer. This must be old. All right. I mean, old. It must be like 40 years old. He's got all these candy dispensing machines. He's got this, some kind of plastics or something machine. Oh, it's a dispensing machine, another one. Wow. It's into dispensing machines. Cool air everywhere. That's a rolling AC. Oh. It's a little generator. Pressure washer. That's a nice one. I have one just like that. I'm getting rid of it. Wow. Look at these trunks. And the tool chests. Those are awesome. Air compressor. Tool saws. Tool belts. It's got a rivet. Nice rivet set over there. He's got some. We got Alex over in the guitar over there. He's tuning the guitar up. All right. Let's see. Oh, terrible. Somebody's put on some music. Now they got there. As soon as I heard that music come on, I had to move away from it. It's got models. Okay, I see the models right at the end here. There's DVDs galore. Yeah, his benches, tables, he's got more tables, but they're emptier. So this is good. So I guess the auction happened, because he says he was going to have an auction. And, alright, so here's the models that I was selling. In my younger days, when I was like, around 10 years old, we were into building models like this. But I never liked 1/72 scale. So these I never bought. How much are your models?
$10 to $25.
Oh, 10 to 25 each? Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're asking $10 to $25 each?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
Yeah. Some of them I can do 5.
I hear you.
Rough boxes and stuff.
Okay.
They're vintage. They're just not in the best of shape anymore.
I hear you.
It's sitting in a trailer for 5, 6 years.
It's small. That was really the only thing I wanted to look at, to tell you the truth. And now that his price is on the far side of Mars, I know now I don't want to buy him. Here's a nice little rolling insecticide car, or whatever you want to call it. So friend's playing the guitar over there to kill some time. Because he's not interested in buying anything here. But there's no other sales open this Sunday morning this early. They start at 8. So we have to come here first. Alright, and we just have a lot of stuff over there. And I mean, the stuff is just high price at the moment, so we're not going to buy anything. That's it. Alright, so we have all items $1. Frames. We got some nice sunglasses down there. Let's see. Always looking for this. Like this stuff here is actually expensive stuff you buy in the store. All these. Well, that looks like a. Yeah, I can see it. It looks like either. You said that's pellet or BB?
Pellet.
Okay. Let's take a look at it. Oh, nice computer.
Heavy, right?
Are you going $400 for it? Is it
Yep.
must be a gaming computer?
Yeah, it is without the monitor though.
Oh, without the monitor? Okay.
Oh.
Oh, a nice laptop too. Oh, I like how you covered the screen. That is smart. That is smart. No, you don't have to uncover it. You want $200 for that? All right.
Where's the ribbon?
They're all the HP Omen was their gaming.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you do a lot of gaming. Hey, Mon, you look good with that.
Looks like mine, but
You ready to go to the front line?
this makes it obviously.
It's a big cylinder.
Here's some CO2.
Gas cylinder.
Yeah, I always need remote controls.
Really? Does this have to be that heavy for a pellet?
What device did this remote control?
That'll be great if you have that exact one.
Yeah.
You never have that.
Yeah, I hear you. I don't know. What is this? Oh, this is one of those. Oh, this is one of these devices you stick on your roof or whatever to get the. Hey, Mon, this whole box is one of those wind vane like weather stations. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, that's one complete station.
Wow. Oh, look, here's some more stations.
You look at these computers? I mean, it's just
Not yet.
all your-
Yeah, it will. I'm just going to take a look at the rest of the rest of the restaurant. These are nice little. I like how these chairs have like cup holder and stuff on the side. And that's it. Got some aloe plants, some tubs. Got some planter baskets, whatever, hanging baskets. Got pressure washer stuff, some bicycle seats. This is cool. Got some tools. This is like a router workshop. We got vice grip. This is interesting.
I'm still bringing stuff out. Is there anything you guys are interested in?
Any bigger, like a vice grip than this? Just that?
A bigger one?
Yeah,
No.
just that. Okay.
Nope, just that one. There's a pipe grip
Okay.
as well, but not anything bigger.
Okay. Archery. This is like a little archery stuff. Very interesting. This is for climbing. Oh, this is nice. Whatever that is. A hand sanitizer. Here's a little speaker. Good.
Yeah, yesterday we sold a ton of stuff.
Oh, I bet.
I had saws, I had
This is interesting.
miter saws, all kinds of different sanders.
This is.
Why is that drone so big? Why do you need a big drone like that? I mean, I'm just
Well, look, here's a
thinking, I don't know
GPS.
what-
I mean, a GPS. Fish finder. Interesting. This is all boating stuff. So, I don't know what these are. These are kind
So
of
when
awesome.
you have a small drone like that,
Look at the scope.
you can't stay here. As we go up, it gets windier and windier and windier. That drone can go so high that
So he's got a Sig Sauer, so he's got to have some other nice parts going on.
I'm selling it for $650.
Oh, here's a nice ladder. Look at this. It's a boat ladder. It's a folding ladder. Or it could be an RV. So here's more harnesses for they're talking about this drone over here. So he wants $650 for it. This is totally awesome. Look at this. That's how big my shoe is. So the drone is that big. Look how big it is.
It's a really nice, comes with its own separate device with the camera. Download the program. 4K? Camera. You know what? That's a great one.
There's clothes here. That's a nice jacket. And you got some. These are cool drapes. And you got some Aerosmith playing, which is pretty good. And look at this. Band, power, volume.
Yes, ma'am. Anywhere, sweetheart. Over here.
You got a whole bunch of these sticks. They're like Playboy sticks. Stirrers. Oh, this is that oil thing. This pump. I want to use one of these to do gold mining with. But I think that'd be a little bit too much trouble. And back at the gun stuff. And this is a dart or some kind of spear fishing, like a bow fishing. Interesting. Alright, some gasoline air blowers, 2 electric. This is an oil drip. It's got some lighting and musical instrument stands. Oh, these are umbrellas. This is for photography. Okay.
Look at that. Still fuel.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, but I know I'm not going to be buying anything here. Sorry to say that, but history, I've always come here and never bought anything. Oh, look, a COVID-19 kit. Yeah. So I know it's sad, but I know the type of people that are having this sale. COVID-19 kids should throw in the garbage. Everything's wet. And there's nobody here. It's ridiculous. Last time we came here, or I came here, there was nobody here. See, these things are cool. This especially is battery operated, but everything is wet, like the sprinkler system here. Like this pull behind raft, the cord is kind of cool, but that little cart's cool. It's an electric stapler, that's cool. I could use a little pneumatic nailer, actually. But there's nobody here to negotiate with. So that's it. Alright, recap. Today I spent $1. All I bought was this keyboard. It's like a yeah, I guess it's chargy. I put a battery or something inside here, and or maybe it's USB. There's a USB cord. I thought it was cool, and for $1, come on, you have to buy gadgets for $1 when you find stuff like this. So it's a Bluetooth keyboard. So if you have a cell phone or something and you can't get to the keys, it's just a good little gadget to have. So I said for $1, why not? There was a lot of other deals going on today. I have one guy with a 4K drone. It's a nice big professional one. I'm gonna offer him $200. I was thinking about $300, but you know what? On second thought, $200 sounds better. I might offer that. And then there's another realtor that I met today who I've been meeting a lot of realtors. Everyone's a realtor. She's going to. I'm going to try to get her to do the legwork to find some property for me, but she's got a couple other interesting tools that she wants to part with. So I'm going to contact her a little bit later. Anyway, so hopefully better luck next weekend.